Today I will tell you how to resell your work and earn 25,000 per month from Meesho. Subscribe my channel and like and share. You have to select any of the product. I selected black t-shirt and the price of the t-shirt is 328 rupees. This is the MRP. Maximum retail price is 1599 and the product price is 337 rupees and the final discounted price is come out 328 rupees. Asked if you are reselling the wearable products, any wearable products, ask size, and there is all return available, and or you have to select only wrong defective item returns. Then press OK. Now you have to select delivery address, click on add new address. Then you have to ask all the details from the customers like house number, building number, etc. and put the proper address. Make sure address should not be on Hindi, it's proper English. Now you have to select its state. Then you have asked the customer name and put contact number. Then save address and continue. Then if you are selling this order, then press yes. When place order, then you have to select cash on delivery. Then the margin dialog box open. You have to set your margin. For example, the product price is 328. I selected 599. The margin of my amount is 289. Will be transferred in bank. Then you have to place